Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel TA Educational Hub. This is a school and today you will learn classroom language. This is a classroom. Classroom. Today you will learn classroom language. Classroom language. Good morning, class. Good morning, class. Welcome back to class. Welcome back to class. Be quiet, please. Be quiet, please. May I come in? May I come in? Listen to me, please. Listen to me, please. Pack your bags. Pack your bags. May I go to toilet, please? May I go to toilet, please? May I drink water, please? May I drink water, please? Sorry, I'm late. Sorry, I'm late. Do your homework. Do your homework. Open your books. Open your books. Stand up, please. Stand up, please. Draw the picture. Draw the picture. Paint this drawing. Paint this drawing. Write on the board, please. Write on the board, please. How can I help you? How can I help you? What page on we are? What page on we are? Step aside, please. Step aside, please. Erase the board. Erase the board. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Write on your notebook. Write on your notebook. Make a queue. Make a queue. Read aloud. Read aloud. Come in. Come in. Learn your lesson. Learn your lesson. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. Keep silent in the library. Keep silent in the library. May I come in? May I come in? Open your book on page 50. Open your book on page 50. I don't understand. Can you repeat, please? I don't understand. Can you repeat, please? How do you spell? How do you spell? What's the meaning of? What's the meaning of? Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Can I answer this question? Can I answer this question? We work in group. We work in group. Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, teacher. Hope you understand well. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.